I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a slightly different video as we are heading off to Macpherson Motorcycles down in Plymouth, and today going with a friend that is looking to set up his track motorbike. A couple of bits that we're trying to sort out. Number one is trying to sort out an issue with the quick shifter, but as part of that setup we're going to get that on a rolling road and get it dynoed. So we're going to have a bit of a look and a bit of fun, and if things go to plan we will be bringing you along with us so you can come and have a little look-see. So stay tuned. So here we are inside. We are here upstairs. We've got the opportunity to come and look at the viewing area of the garage. So as we come over here to the window, we can look downstairs and look at everything that is going on. How's that for some fantastic lighting that they've got up there? We're going to go downstairs in a minute and give you a bit of a look around downstairs, but for the moment give you a chance to have a look around this place. Got some cracking seating areas they've got up here. We've been nicely introduced to a cracking cup of coffee, which was very nice. And then as well as this one, what we also have is the good old telly that's on at the moment as well. So we've been watching, as we've been waiting, we've been watching a bit of the old Amazon Prime and watching a load of the biking stuff. So a really friendly environment here. The guys are really nice. They've been fantastic in the work that they've been doing. We'd really recommend, and if you're coming here you get to come and sit in these lovely surroundings. So going to move on now and try and show you the rest of this place and downstairs and more of the garage area. So one of the great additions down here that we get to see is there's actually a full-on dyno machine that's here for mapping, as well as all of the extractor fans. Small little room. You'll also see a bit of a viewing area so you can even watch as it's being done. How's that for a cracking bit of design on the wall as well. So yeah, if you have a need for getting your bike dynoed or you want some trick work done on your bike, then absolutely the place to come, and this one will sort you out. So while we're here, we've got full-on MOT testing, and as part of that you can see the good old brake test machine that we've got for the motorbikes here, as well as everything being very clearly laid out, even with your old MOT tool. So bike all back in the van, and happy to say it was a simple electrical fault that these guys managed to find for us. So we thought we were going to be looking at potentially diving in and looking at a new quick shifter, or we thought we might have to do something relating to dynoing it, but very happy to say didn't need to bother with any of that. Simple electrical fault, they found it, dealt with it, we're back in the van and on our way back home again. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.